Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel UPSC Study Circle. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain Indian ancient history, taxation, and about important coins. So, this picture is all about UPSC exam oriented notes. So, I will start about this image, and previously, I have uploaded 116 Mahajanapadas video you can find in my YouTube channel. So let's coming to the topic. First topic is taxation in ancient India. So introduction is taxes were the major source of revenue for the state and maintain the administration, army, public works and welfare. This line is very important. Taxation is a major source of income to maintain the administration and army and public works and welfare. So, well organized taxation system existed during the Mahajanapadas, Maurya and Gupta period and later periods also. But these are important. Well organized taxation system existed during the Mahajanapadas and Maurya and Gupta later periods. So, types of taxes. These are the important five types of taxes. One is a Bali, and second one is a Baga, and third one is a Kara, and fourth one is a Hiranya, and fifth one is a Vishti. So, first one, tax of Bali. Bali is nothing but tribute. So, why Bali tax is they have maintained? So, Bali tax is nothing but a voluntary tribute paid by subjects, villages, or defeated rulers. Nothing but Bali. And second one is a Baga, is a land tax. Land tax, like a share of produce, usually 1/6 of income. Agriculture produce they have to give to the government. That is a Baga tax, nothing but land tax. And Kara tax. What is a Kara tax? Kara tax is nothing but a trade tax. Tax on trade and commerce and professions and artisans. This is the trade tax. And fourth one is the Hiranya. Hiranya tax is nothing but cash or gold tax. Nothing but income tax. So tax paid in cash or gold, especially when the payment in kind of was not possible. Then nothing but Hiranya tax. And last one is the Vishti tax. Vishti tax is the forced labor tax. Compulsory labor service for the state of roads, foods and public works. This is a tax of description of Vishti and other points also there. These are the other points. So taxation system was systematic and efficient during Maurya Empire. This line is very important. Taxation system was systematic and efficient during the Maurya Empire. In the Maurya Empire, Arthashastra written by Kautilya. This line is very important. Arthashastra written by Kautilya. And land revenue was the main source of the income in Maurya period. Land revenue is the main source of income. Taxes were collected by officers like Samaharta. This is also very important. Taxes were collected by officers like Samaharta, chief collector, and treasurer is Sannidata. This line also very important. Treasurer is a Sannidata, chief collector is a Samaharta. These two were collected the tax. In villages, village headman and Gopa were the responsible for tax collection. This line also very important. In villages, village headman and Gopa were the responsible for tax collection. UPSC key points to remember. What are the main important points in this image? Baga is a land tax of 1/6 produce. and Khara is a trade tax, and Hiranya is a cash or gold tax. And another important coins in the ancient India. Well, first important coins are punch marked coins. Punch marked coins evolved or created in 600 BCE onwards. The first coins in India, those are punch marked coins, and punch marked coins made of silver and copper and electrum, and also uninscribed with symbols like sun, bull, horse, tree, hill, etc. and used during the Mahajanapadas and Maurya period. This is a very important. Punch marked coins used during the Mahajanapadas and Maurya period. It is made of silver, copper, and electrum. Punch marked coins are the first coins of India. Punch marked coin. And second one is the cast copper coins used from Maurya to Gupta period. These are cast copper coins used from Maurya to Gupta period, mostly used for local transaction. This is also very important. Cast copper coins is nothing but used from Maurya to Gupta period. It is like a traveling coins and mostly used for local transaction. Transaction is a better word. So mostly used for local transaction by using cast copper coins. And third one is the Indo-Greek coins. Indo-Greek coins are found in 2nd century BCE onwards. Indo-Greek coins. Indo-Greek coins are bilingual coins. Bilingual coins means the languages in the coins Greek plus Kharosthi or Brahmi script. These three languages included. Greek is the main language and Kharosthi or Brahmi script. In both of them, one of the language is mandatory. So bilingual coins. So realistic kings portrait on one side and deities on the other side. In the coin, they have made one what we called symbols like a realistic king's portrait on the one side and second one is the deities on other side. And the important rulers are Menander. Indo-Greek coins. Milinda Panho is a very important book. Milinda Panho. And important ruler in the Indo-Greek coins is a Menander. This is a very important. Indo-Greek coins. Menander. This is a very important. And fourth one is the Shishunaga and Shatavahana and Kushana coins. This point is very important. Shishunaga and Shatavahana and Kushana coins. Shishunaga, Shatavahana mainly lead and 14 coins. Shishunaga and Shatavahana mainly lead in 14 coins. Kushanas produced gold coins with Greek legends and high purity issued by rulers like Kanishka. For Kanishka, Kushanas made gold coins with Greek legends. And the last one is the Gupta gold coins. Gupta gold coins are found in 4th century to 5th century BCE, known as dinars. Gupta gold coins known as dinars. This line is a very important. Gupta gold coins known as dinars and issued by Samudragupta and Chandragupta too. This is also very important. In the Gupta gold coins issued by Samudragupta and Chandragupta too. In the Gupta gold coin, excellent artwork and called the Golden Age. By using the Gupta gold coins only, they used to call Golden Age of Indian numismatics in Golden Age of Indian numismatics. So you can see these four images, important coins and visuals for the UPSC. Punch marked coin, Indo-Greek coin, Menander, and Kushana gold coins of Kanishka, and Samudragupta gold coin of Samudragupta. These topics are very important. One is about gold coin, Gupta gold coins, 4th century to 5th century CE, known as dinars, issued by Samudragupta and Chandragupta too. And another one is excellent artwork called Golden Age of Indian numismatics. So these are the two topics about taxation and important coins. You can note down. And one more thing, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel UPSC Study Circle for the more topics and content. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.